Hello everyone, my name is Sanola Khan and today I'm going to discuss about recommendation letter because a lot of applicants are asking me that how actually we are going to write a recommendation letter. This is not the document you have to write it, but some professor or some supervisor asks you to draft it and you can just some professor then modify it and then they can send it to further. So you have to request your supervisor to write a recommendation letter, and they will just formulate a recommendation letter. How will it look like, and what things to cover it there? So I'm just making video for those who actually have to draft by themselves. So let's see some example of it. So you can see here there are a lot of samples there. I will also put this link in the description so that you can just also visit here as well. If you have not subscribed my channel, just do it so that you can see my next scholarship videos again and again. So you can see here, it will start actually, it's better that you should put a logo of your university or some title there. So it will be better, it will create a good impression. Then you can write there to whom it may concern, and then you will start with this. Then you can see that professor is saying that I'm delighted to recommend this student, or I know this student from 2017 2016, and he has studied this is subject for me. And he started that in the first meeting or in the first subject he showed this is skill and he's exceptional student. Then he will list down his the student skills. So this is how you are going to divide your recommendation letter. I will recommend if you are writing recommendation letter for yourself and the professor asks you to write it, so you should divide it into three paragraphs. The first paragraph should started with that your professor has when your professor came to know about you. So uh, the interaction and which subjects he actually taught you and how you perform in these subjects, what extra skills you had, and what things you have done exceptional, like you have topped in his subject or like this is. Then you should list down your extraordinary skills, like you have this skill, you have been tremendous in research work, and you work on this is topic, and your faculty member is proud of you. And at the end the professor should write that he strongly recommend you for Mext Embassy scholarship or Mext University recommended scholarship. This is what the recommendation letter is. The purpose of this video is because I am receiving a lot of messages that how actually I have to write a recommendation letter, but you have not to write a recommendation letter. Your professor might say you just draft it a bit and he can modify it further. So this is how actually recommendation letter is. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm also making more videos like mark sheet form, how to fill it, the application form, and the general guidelines of Mext Embassy scholarship. Thank you so much for watching my video.